Hello, that's Total Recall. Yep, Total Recall. Very good. Well, it's not actually. I didn't think it was very good, but I'm going to play it for my own personal benefit um, and upload it to YouTube. And if anyone wants to watch it, they can watch it. But don't expect me to be some kind of super whiz. I probably won't even get past the first level or first whatever. Yeah. So let's right, no, 5 redefined keys or defined keys. Up is Q, down is A, left is O, right, oh, it does it for you. Pause is H. Alright, I'll hold. Okay, so let's go straight in. We all know the film, hopefully. Well, not hopefully. If you don't like it, then you might not know. So let's do it. So at the moment I've got, he's holding a gun, but he's not shooting the bullets, which is probably good, although I don't know. Why isn't this guy coming towards me? Can I just oh. No? Right, oh good. Sent him into there. So Q is, right, okay, right. So we need to run and jump. This? What's that? Do I need to run past? Okay, it seems to set a switch off. Oh? No, I can't. Alright, this is a lift. So let's go up. Punch, punch, punch. Why is there a question mark? Okay. Now, fabulous. I have bullets for my gun. Is that a switch? I don't know if that's a switch. It's the switch. So that switches that off. Danger, danger. I can jump. What's this? Okay. It looks like a camera or something. What? The briefcase. Alright, well what's this then? How am I supposed to get out of here? Great. Fantastic. What was the point of that? And what did I not do what I should have done? I don't know. Alright, one more time. One more time. Let's go for it. Alright. Oh, hang on. Right. He's in there. Switch that. Can't go through there. Alright. Get this guy. Yep, he's gone. Question mark. No, don't get hit by him. Don't get hit by him. Okay, that's a dead end. Now, hang on a minute. Can I jump over this? I can indeed. Whoa, it's the PlayStation signs. Ah, no. Alright, okay. I'll tell you. I don't know what I tell you. But anyhow, whatever. Alright, I keep putting my ants on WASD. No, think old, not new. Okay. Jump. Switch. No! Seriously? Are you serious? Come on. Think, think, think. Think, think, think. Right, last time, and if I die, I die. Alright, and then that's it. Right, sort him out. There's man with guns. Let's get him before he shoots me. Got him. I can't go up there. I can jump over this. No, whoa. Seriously? Now, if I get that thing's going to come back on again, isn't it? So I have to run, get it, run back. Perfect. Scott, you are very good at this game. I'm not very good at this game. You know it. Now, here's the problem. What's all this about? I'm going to... Right, switch. Oh, man. How do I get out of this? Oh, lucky. Hello? Yeah, this isn't helping. I wonder if things reset when I go back to the beginning. Let's go. No. Alright. Ow. Right, one more time. One more time. Like I said, yeah, I don't think I'm going to get past the first round, or level, or whatever it's called. You're absolutely right. You are not getting past... May I say that that was close. Right, so I've got to unlock these things. Go down here. Right, there's a switch. Right, there's bullets. I have bullets. No, no, no. I need to get back before the thing comes on. Good, 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 good. Right. Can I go up? I can't go up. I need to go down now? What is this? Are you having a laugh? I think you are having a laugh. Fantastic. And I don't even get to put my name in the top scores. Top scores. What's the point? Yeah. Total Recall. Watch the film. Play the game if you... Well, this is nice. I like this. Yeah. Play the game if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, probably keep playing it until you do, but I'm not going to waste your time with this. I'm not going to waste my time with it. Maybe one day. I don't know, but I doubt it. If I really wanted to have played the game, I would have done it years ago. Yeah. But alas, no. Alright, thanks. See you later.